Switzerland's famous peaks and pristine lakes draw visitors from all over the globe. But there are still hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. We're about to explore 15 breathtaking locations that most travelers miss. Places that are just as beautiful, if not more so, than the well-trodden paths. These spots offer serenity, adventure, and a glimpse into Switzerland's rich history and culture. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these hidden gems will give you a new perspective on this incredible country. And trust me, number 1 on our list will completely surprise you and could be the highlight of your Swiss adventure. 15. Schaffhausen. In northern Switzerland, Schaffhausen is like stepping back in time. This medieval town is famous for its well-preserved architecture, with centuries-old buildings lining its narrow streets. But the star attraction lies just outside the town, the magnificent Rhine Falls. Imagine standing close enough to feel the mist from Europe's largest waterfall as it crashes down. Have you ever felt the sheer power of water like that? A visit to Schaffhausen is not just about history. It's about connecting with nature in a way that's both thrilling and humbling. 14. Kammersee Flims. Tucked away in the forested area of Flims, Kammersee is a turquoise lake that looks like it's been plucked straight from a dream. Surrounded by thick woods, it's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. You can swim in its clear waters, have a quiet picnic, or just relax on the shore with a good book. And for those who love a bit of adventure, a short hike will lead you to the Rhine Gorge, Switzerland's own version of the Grand Canyon. Kammersee isn't just a lake, it's a serene retreat where you can recharge and reconnect with nature. 13. Aescher Guesthouse, Appenzell Alps. Imagine a wooden guest house clinging to the side of a cliff, offering views that stretch across the Appenzell Alps. This is Aescher, a place that's as unique as it is breathtaking. Getting there is part of the adventure. Whether you choose to hike up or take the cable car, the journey itself is unforgettable. And once you arrive, the panoramic views will leave you speechless. The guest house, which has become an icon, is now a popular spot for day visitors who come to enjoy the scenery and the hearty Swiss cuisine. It's a place where nature and human ingenuity meet in the most spectacular way. 12th Banalpsee. Nidwalden Banalpsee is a hidden treasure tucked away in the Swiss canton of Nidwalden. This lake is surrounded by towering cliffs and offers a peaceful escape from the busy tourist spots. Whether you're in the mood for a gentle walk around the lake or a more challenging hike up the surrounding peaks, Banalpsee has something for everyone. Engelberg, a nearby town, offers additional adventures like skiing and mountain biking. But Banalpsee remains a quiet, serene spot where you can truly unwind and enjoy the beauty of the Swiss landscape. 11. Weggis, Lake Lucerne. Weggis is a gem on the shores of Lake Lucerne, known for its palm trees, mild climate, and breathtaking views. This small town is the perfect place to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. Take a boat ride across Lake Lucerne, explore the charming streets of the town, or simply sit by the water and let the scenery wash over you. Weggis offers a unique blend of Swiss and Mediterranean vibes, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the laid-back side of Switzerland. 10. Lugano, Ticino. Lugano is where Swiss precision meets Italian passion. This southern city is known for its beautiful lakeside views, historic architecture, and vibrant culture. Wander through the streets of Lugano, visit its many museums, and take in the stunning views of Lake Lugano. The city has a unique charm that combines the best of both Swiss and Italian influences. It's also a great place to indulge in some of the region's delicious cuisine, from freshly made pasta to locally sourced cheese. If you're looking for a destination that offers both relaxation and excitement, Lugano is the place to be. 9th Ascona, Lago Maggiore. Ascona is a town that feels like a postcard come to life. Located on the northern shore of Lago Maggiore, this charming town is known for its narrow streets, colorful buildings, and beautiful lakeside promenade. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're sipping coffee at a lakeside cafe or exploring the historic Monte Verita, Ascona's blend of Swiss and Italian culture makes it a unique destination, perfect for anyone looking to experience a different side of Switzerland. 8. Madonna del Sasso, Locarno. Perched high above the town of Locarno, the Madonna del Sasso Sanctuary offers breathtaking views of Lake Maggiore and the surrounding mountains. The journey up to the sanctuary is an experience in itself, with a funicular ride that slowly reveals the stunning landscape below. Once at the top, you'll find a peaceful church filled with beautiful art and a terrace that offers panoramic views of the lake and mountains. It's a place of spiritual and natural beauty where you can take a moment to reflect and appreciate the world around you. 7. Lavaux Vineyards, Vaud. The Lavaux Vineyards are not just a feast for the eyes. They're also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These vineyards stretch along the northern shore of Lake Geneva, offering stunning views of the lake and the Alps. The terraces have been cultivated for over 800 years, and walking through them feels like stepping back in time. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates beautiful landscapes, a visit to Lavaux is an experience you won't forget. You can enjoy wine tastings, explore the charming villages, and take in the breathtaking views that have inspired artists and writers for centuries. 6. Creux du Vin. Neuchâtel Creux du Vin is a natural wonder that will leave you in awe. This massive rock formation, known as Switzerland's Grand Canyon, features 160-meter-high cliffs that curve around to form a natural amphitheater. The views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, with sweeping vistas of the Jura Mountains and the Alps. It's a hiker's paradise, with trails that take you through forests, meadows, and up to the edge of the cliffs. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife, like ibexes and marmots, as you explore this incredible landscape. 5. La Tulipe, Geneva. In the midst of Geneva's grand architecture and historic landmarks, La Tulipe stands out for its bold and unique design. This brutalist building, shaped like a tulip, is a striking example of mid-20th century architecture. It's a hidden gem in a city known for its elegance, offering a different perspective on what makes Geneva special. After admiring La Tulipe, take some time to explore the surrounding area, which is filled with hidden cafes, peaceful parks, and other surprises that most tourists overlook. La Tulipe is a reminder that there's always something new to discover, even in the most familiar places. 4. Melk Say Fruit, Obwalden. Melk Say Fruit is a high-altitude paradise that offers something for everyone. This resort area is dotted with serene lakes and surrounded by towering peaks, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're into hiking, fishing, or simply enjoying the stunning alpine scenery, Melch Sea Fruit has it all. And because it's less known than other Swiss resorts, you'll often find yourself alone with nature. The tranquility of this place is unmatched, offering a perfect escape from the stresses of everyday life. 3. Grindelwald, Bernese Oberland. Grindelwald is the quintessential Swiss village, surrounded by some of the most dramatic mountain scenery in the country. It's a place where adventure meets relaxation. You can hike, bike, or even try summer sledding if you're up for a thrill. But it's also a place where you can simply sit back and take in the view of the Eiger, one of Switzerland's most famous peaks. Grindelwald is perfect for anyone looking to experience the best of what Switzerland's outdoors have to offer. 2nd Stoos. Schwyz Stoos is a car-free mountain village that's accessible only by the world's steepest funicular railway. Once you're there, it feels like you've stepped into another world. The air is crisp, the views are stunning, and the whole village feels like it's been untouched by time. There are plenty of hiking trails to explore, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can try paragliding. Stoos is one of those places that's perfect for both thrill seekers and those looking to escape the modern world for a while. 1. Aletsch Glacier, Bernese Alps. The Aletsch Glacier is the largest glacier in the Alps, and it's an awe-inspiring sight. Imagine standing on a viewing platform, looking out over a river of ice that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a place that feels almost otherworldly, with its vast expanse of white surrounded by towering peaks. You can take guided hikes on the glacier or simply enjoy the view from a distance. The Aletsch Glacier is a reminder of nature's power and beauty, and it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Switzerland is more than just the Matterhorn and Lake Geneva. These 15 hidden gems offer a chance to see the country in a whole new light through its quiet lakes, charming villages, and breathtaking mountains. Each spot on this list is a testament to the country's diverse beauty and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're planning your first trip or your 10th, make sure to step off the beaten path and explore these incredible places. And if you enjoyed discovering these hidden gems with us, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more guides that take you to the world's most amazing destinations. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.